Mga ka-Nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ryan Diesto. For today's Tastes Review episode, mga masay and bestsellers by the Love Cup Cafe. The Love Cup Cafe, welcoming everyone to taste the goodness of what life brings. A sip of joy on your journey. First in Iloilo City, a Milktea Supplies with milk tea and mini cafe in one store. You're located at number 2 Santo Rosario Building, Fuentes Street, corner Ledesma, Iloilo City. They're open Monday to Saturday, starting 11 a.m. until 5 p.m. Buy their BTS-inspired drinks and collect stamps to earn points and get these amazing BTS freebies, the Love Cup BTS loyalty cards on your 5th and 10th order. They're also available for their buy one take one. Their add-ons, just add 40 pesos for their bear tumbler and 35 pesos for their crown bottle. For their fullest of menus, delivery, and other details, I'll provide description down below. And for this episode, this is sponsored brand review. Disclaimer lang mga Nose, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to brand or tastes reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong i-skip. Malaking tulong na yun sa aking channel. These are French fries for 1 kilogram for the brand Super Fries for 90 pesos. This product, it has distinct flavors for its potato essence, salt for its crispiness. It's available for clearance and also for their Mondel fries. Their Oreo Cheesecake Overload for large size, 120 pesos. Very similar in taste for its Oreo ice cream, for its creamy and distinctive flavors for its Oreo granules, especially for its right balance of sweetness for its cheesecake. These are cheesy ube de leche flan for 160 pesos. Has a moderate to mild sweetness for its taro essence, at the same time for its cheesy essence and for its cute tumbler. These are cheesy mango float flan for large size, 120 pesos. For this drink, sulit ka na and busog for its mango float essence and also for its contents. There's strawberry yum with cheesecake for large size, 98 pesos. For this buy one take one series, affordable and satisfy ka na for its overall quality when it comes to the strawberry flavor and also for its solid taste for cheesecake. Honey citron lemon for large size, 98 pesos. This is one of their best sellers for their fruit tea series and also for its citron fruit or flavor is oozing with significant micronutrients, antioxidants, which may be valuable for us. The perfect drink for those who prefer a healthy option. This is mango peach and bits with crown tumbler for 115 pesos. The rich sweetness for its fresh mangoes, also for its cool crown tumbler. Match with for its surprising health benefits and uses of peaches. Also available for their buy one take one promo for 80 pesos. Through Wintermelon milk tea with crown tumbler for 123 pesos. For this classic all-time favorites, on-point yung flavors for its Wintermelon essence, also for its soft and gooey pearls. These are iced caramel macchiato for medium size for 80 pesos. Iced coffee drink topped with caramel yung flavors for its milk, one shot of espresso, also for its overall flavors. These are Bailey's chocolate truffles for 12 ounce, 108 pesos. For these loaded love cups, exclusive for adults only. It consists of real Bailey's flavored quality ice cream, pepero cookie stick, real cherry bits, wafer stick and cubes, syrups, and many more. Sweet toppings as a super balance. These are loaded magnum for 12 ounce for 108 pesos. An excellent quality of ice cream and also for its cream cheese with pepero choco with almond stick. yummy wafers, syrups, Rice Krispies, and many more. Perfect sweet craving, most especially for those who love Magnum ice cream. Okay, for rating Manos, based on my experience and overall view with Ilonggo vloggers, we'll give it a perfect 10. For the Love Cup Cafe, na-maintain pa rin nila for its affordable, excellent quality of foods, and also for its wide selection of drinks, with its new BTS-inspired merch, and a lot more. With its cool ambience, good for selfies and groupies. Magpasalamat ako sa mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko for assisting and joining me kay Heart and kay Biboy. Most especially kay Ma'am Sharon and kay Ma'am Angel for trusting me and for inviting me again part of this wonderful experience to feature your bestsellers and newest products. Once again, congratulations sa lahat po bumubo for the Love Cup Cafe, sa mga staff, baristas, riders, and owners. Be safe, Manos! See you in my next brand, taste test review, or do-it-yourself episodes here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!